Hi friends, many of you are sending me emails and also sending me messages, some posting comments in my YouTube channel and asking me, hey Zubair, we are beginners and we want to start affiliate marketing, but we know nothing about affiliate marketing. So as a beginner, please guide us how we can start affiliate marketing and how we can generate income using affiliate marketing. And this video is going to answer all of your questions, such as how to start affiliate marketing, where to start and how to do it. And by the way, comment section is open for discussion. If you need any assistance, need help for affiliate marketing, you can comment below in this video. I shall be more than happy to provide you my assistance. And if you want to share your experience with me and with other people to help them learn more about affiliate marketing, you can also share your experience in the comment section below. And as a beginner, after watching this video, you will be earning $500 to $1,000, but you need to follow all the steps that I am going to explain in this video. So my friend, every second of this video is filled with information about affiliate marketing. So please do not skip any part of this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe it to get more information and tips about digital marketing. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. That will help me to make more videos on digital marketing and making money online. Before starting, let me explain for the beginners what is affiliate marketing. In fact, affiliate marketing is promoting products that are not yours. And when an action is done on your affiliate link, please listen carefully. I have mentioned action, not the sales. I shall explain it later with practical example what is action and what is sales. And the company that offers you the product keeps record, or in other words, track your affiliate links. When an action is done on your affiliate link, you get a commission for that action. And my friend, I shall also show you my affiliate programs that I have joined and making passive income from that affiliate programs. Now my friend, let me explain you within a couple of minutes why affiliate marketing is a good choice for beginners to make money online. And the reason is, making money with affiliate marketing requires minimal investment compared to other business models online. So what are the tools you need to start affiliate marketing? It's nothing. These are the tools that you regularly use on daily basis. You just need a laptop or your phone to do affiliate marketing. And also you need to have online presence. Now let me show you how to get started step by step with affiliate marketing. And I am going to help you learning affiliate marketing within 6 steps. In my experience, step number 1 is, if you want to start affiliate marketing, you need to have your online presence. And what do I mean by online presence? It means that if you are going to start affiliate marketing, number 1 step is you need to have a blog or a website where you can showcase affiliate products. Because if you have your own blog, it will impress the visitors and show them professionalism that you have online presence and you are promoting different affiliate products. So having your own blog creates trust for the visitors, and resultantly it encourages your visitors to click on your affiliate links. For example, if you go to my blog digitcrafter.com, and here let me show you a few affiliate programs that I am promoting. If you go to search and then right here review and then click on search, you will see that I am promoting different brands here. This is GetResponse, this is Mozent, and if you go down you will see this is LearnDash, Namecheap, Astra, InterServer in Motion. So all these big brands in digital marketing. And whenever I want to join an affiliate program, it becomes easier for me to get the approval. Why it's easier? Let's say if you want to join this program, GetResponse, the very first thing that they notice when you apply for affiliate marketing, they find if you have any website or blog. If you don't have any website or blog, it will be very difficult to get approval for any affiliate program unless you have a strong social profile. For example, you are a famous YouTuber or you have thousands of followers on Instagram. But my friend, promoting products on blog or your website is much easier than promoting on your social accounts. Why it's easier to do affiliate marketing on your blog or website? Because if you start affiliate marketing by using social media platforms, then your products may not appear in search engine results. So to show your products in search engine results, you need to have a blog or website. So chances of promoting your products becomes easier after having a blog or website. And my friend, if you don't know how to create blog or website, you can watch my this video. It's very easy, very simple. You can create your blog within 30 minutes if you follow the same steps that I have explained in this video. Believe me, it's very easy. And also please don't forget to watch my other videos on buying domain and hosting. And when you set up your platform such as blog or website, next step is you need to choose niche to promote affiliate products. For example, in my case, my niche is digital marketing. And you can see on my blog, I am promoting different products related to digital marketing such as domains, web hostings, email marketing services, and many other affiliate programs that are related to digital products. But in your case, your niche may be different. And the question is how you can find products for your niche. For this, number one method is if you go to Google and here search for affiliate marketing programs and then write your niche. But let's say I am going to find affiliate programs related to sports and then click on search. And here in search results you will find different articles. You can see here 11 best sports affiliate programs, 65 best sports affiliate programs of 2024, 20 plus best sports affiliate programs. Now let's open this first post to find out what are the specific sports affiliate programs. And if you go down, you can see here is Leatherhead Sports and the other one is Under Armour. So here in Google search results, you can find so many affiliate programs related to your niche. But if you want to search affiliate programs related to digital marketing, that is my niche. For you, I have created a list. If you go to my website aiwebranker.com, that is about 30 plus digital marketing tools and these are absolutely free. Now if you go to at the end of this page and here you will find affiliate program database. And this is the database I created for digital products. For example, you can see the first product is 99 designed by Vista and they pay you $50 per sale. Other affiliate program is AppSumo. And like this one, you can find so many affiliate programs that are related to digital marketing. For example, Fiverr, Invato Market, DigitalOcean, Contabo, GoDaddy, Hostinger, and these are my affiliate programs that I am promoting. If you need to join any program, you can simply click on this link and go to their website and join their affiliate program. For example, this is an affiliate program about GetResponse. If you go to GetResponse, you will see that they are offering recurring affiliate commission that is 33% every month. So when you promote their product, you get 33% commission every month. And if you need to join affiliate programs other than digital marketing niche, you can use affiliate networks such as CJ or you can go to Impact. And 90% affiliate programs that I have joined, I searched them by using these affiliate networks, that is CJ and Impact. But my friend, as I explained you in step number 1, that affiliate programs on these networks such as CJ and Impact provide you approval if you have a blog or website. So having a blog and website is a big impact for getting approval from affiliate networks. Now you may be thinking how you can promote your products on your website. For example, if you are going to promote a product, you can write reviews about that product. For example, if you go to my any website, this is the review about GetResponse and this is the review about Muzend. And also I have so many reviews about different affiliate programs. Also, you can write how-to guides and compare that product with different other products. So you can publish comparison articles. For example, if you search here, click on search and then write here comparison and then click on search. And here my friend, you can see in this article I am comparing two products, and if you go down here in this article I am comparing two products, and you can follow the same strategy to promote your affiliate products. So my friend, if you create this kind of content in your blog, for example reviews about affiliate programs, explaining about their how-to guides and comparing two or more affiliate products, and this type of content gets higher engagement and also higher chances of getting commissions. But please remember that focus to create high quality content, just like I showed you example of my few articles. Now next important thing is You can follow my strategy to create how-to articles, reviews and compare products. By reading my articles, you will get a clear idea that how you should write engaging content to get maximum results, to get maximum engagement from your content. When you are creating content, the most important step is you need to mention affiliate links naturally. Let me show you an example. If I go to my article, that is get response review, let's open this article, and here in this article let me show you my affiliate link. This is the affiliate link. If someone clicks on this affiliate link, it will redirect that visitor to my affiliate program website, and you can see here it redirected to pricing page of get response. So you need to mention affiliate links naturally in your article, and remember, do not fill your article with too many affiliate links. For example, I have this affiliate link here, and after that I mentioned this affiliate link at the end of my article. You can see this is the affiliate link. Moreover, in this article I am also promoting other products, such as you can see here, this is the MailChimp affiliate link. Now let me show you how you can add these affiliate links in your articles. If you are using WordPress, let me show you my dashboard. You can add this plugin, its name is Pretty Links. And if I open my affiliate links, let me show you an example here. Let's take example of this Namecheap affiliate program. Click on edit. You can see here this is the affiliate link that I obtained from Namecheap, and basically this affiliate link is from CJ Network, because Namecheap affiliate program is available on CJ Network. So to add your link, click on add new. Write here title, for example in my case Namecheap, and then you need to select redirection 307, and in the target URL paste your target affiliate link, and then in front of Pretty Link you need to write name of that affiliate program. For example, here I am going to write Namecheap. Now this is my complete URL, my complete affiliate link, that is digitcrafter.com/namecheap, and if I copy this link, click on this copy to clipboard button, and after copying your affiliate link you can mention this affiliate link in your article. As an example, let me show you, and I am going to edit this article to guide you how to add affiliate links. For example, let's edit this post. In this article I am going to add that affiliate link. So as an example I am going to write Namecheap affiliate. I am going to link this word, that is Namecheap, with my affiliate link. So select this word and then click on this icon, that is of Pretty Link, and here write the name of affiliate program. In my case it's Namecheap. You can see here it listed down all the affiliate programs of Namecheap, and from this list I can choose any affiliate program as an affiliate link. For example, I am going to add this one. Click on this and then click on this enter icon. Now whenever someone will click on this Namecheap word, it will redirect that visitor to Namecheap affiliate program, I mean to their website. So you see, it's so simple, so easy. So mentioning your affiliate link once in your article is a good SEO practice. So friends, this was step number 4, that how you can write engaging content and add affiliate links to your articles, to your blog posts. And now next and 5th step is how to promote your affiliate links. And here 90% affiliate marketers fail. Why? They start to promote affiliate programs, but they do not know the right method to promote affiliate programs. In fact, they don't focus or somehow ignore the important steps that I am going to explain you. When you create your blog or website, you need to apply SEO techniques on your blog or website. I am not going to explain all of SEO strategies here, because if I start mentioning SEO techniques here, my video duration will be long enough. So my friend, if you need to know about SEO techniques, you can watch my other videos on SEO. I will place link of all those videos in my description below. Moreover, if you are interested to read articles for SEO techniques, you can go to my website digitcrafter.com, and here if you go to search and write here SEO and click on search, and friends, you can see here I have so many articles on the topic SEO. By following these articles, you can improve SEO of your website or blog. Other than SEO technique, you can use social media marketing. For example, if you have account on social media platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or on any social media platform. You can promote your affiliate programs on your social media platforms. But please remember, very important point here, do not place affiliate links directly in your social media posts. So how you can share affiliate links on social media platforms? For example, let's say I want to share an affiliate link on social media platform. So what I will do, for example, this is the post that I am going to share on my social media accounts. I will create summary of this article, that is get response review, and after creating summary of this article, I shall post this summary on my social media accounts and will place link of this article in my social media post. Let me show you an example. If I go to my Quora account, and here in Quora, let me show you MySpace, and my friend, this is MySpace Quora with the name Make Money Online, and let me show you an example here. And my friend, this is the example. This post is about how to make ChatGPT remember your preferences, and in this post I placed link of my video here, that is ChatGPT custom instructions. When someone will click on this link, it will redirect to my video link. But in your case, you can mention link of your article here. The idea is so simple. You need to create summary of your article and publish this summary with important points on other social media platforms such as Quora, and place your link inside your post naturally, and bring those visitors to your website so that they can interact with your articles, and when they interact with your articles, they will click on your affiliate links. So this is the best way to promote your affiliate link. And my friend, I again request you not to spam your links. And what is spamming? You pick your affiliate link and mention your affiliate link directly into your post. This is spamming. And if you do this, social media platform will instantly block your account. So do not place affiliate link directly into your posts. Write engaging articles on your blog and bring visitors from different social media platforms to your website. That is the best way to promote affiliate links. Last and sixth step is tracking and optimizing your affiliate links. And to track your affiliate links, you can use same plugin, that is Pretty Links. If you go to Pretty Links plugin, and here you will find different options to track your affiliate links. For example, if I click on clicks, and here I can see number of clicks for my different affiliate programs. Also, you can use report section of Pretty Links to track your affiliate links. Moreover, you can also add your website or blog in Google Analytics. If you want to know how to add your website to Google Analytics, you can watch this video. Now, along with tracking your affiliate links, you also need to optimize your content on your website. I mean, you need to keep refreshing your content. It will send positive signals to search engines, and it's the best way to get higher rankings in search engines. And if your blog or website is getting higher rankings, you will have higher chances of performing well in affiliate marketing and ultimately making good money with affiliate marketing. Also, you can use paid promotions, such as you can use Google Ads to promote your articles in Google search. If you need to know how to do this, you can watch this video that explains you step by step how to promote your articles in Google search results by using Google Ads. And my friend, here I would like to share with you very important tip. When you write any content on your blog or website, you need to disclose affiliate relationship. As an example, if you go to my any post, for example, let's open this post, and in this blog post, if you go to the end of this article, this is the disclosure paragraph. In this paragraph, I am writing, this blog article contains affiliate links, and if you make a purchase through these links, I may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. If you have this disclosure in your article, it sends positive signals to search engines and also shows your professionalism to your visitors. So friends, do not ever forget to add affiliate disclosure in your articles. And one important tip, encourage your readers and visitors to subscribe your blog or article, and also encourage your viewers and visitors to share their questions, their comments or their experiences with you. More and more you engage with your followers or subscribers, you will get higher chances of making money with affiliate marketing. My friends, I hope you found this video helpful. At the end, support me by liking this video so that I can publish more and more videos on these topics, that is digital marketing, SEO, AI, making money online. Take care of yourself and your family. See you in next video.